Ay, Captain, well, listen up, pineapple, look to the sea. The president, Rosalie. One stink like a hog and one smell like a fish. Your blood pressure, dog, go down, dog, hold on. I'll be a fucker. Hold on, dog. Hey, Shalaam, move your post, say, well, come down. I try enough of them half of me, man, you know. Tempo. Sky high, brother, old people blood pressure. Maybe the mind job to bomb clot. Anyways, let's try this one more time. It's a tape. It's a tape. The blood pressure. Okay. Alright, all I take, man, then they to work that. Alright. So this message is for the president of the United Chitina Plate State. So as me say, Sir President, I are in the place fully right now. As we all know it. One president, one BLAMDEM, one Nicki Minaj. So you are going now. Remember me know you long time. Everybody know you. Me see every time them post a picture, you see the people nobody come say I know you that. You are what? You need a gender reveal party. And you see before you reveal your gender, ask for 4,000 lion. You don't get it, man. We make it better any money. 4,000 lion. Take one big idiot take and run. Just follow me. You can't go wrong. I'm in here, Shalaam. You ask for 4, but you have to reveal your gender, you know. And the next thing we are going to do, can me tell you, say, Batman in every family. One transmission in every family. Make sure that your uncle named Leslie, you know, or Lassar. Make sure you know, because they must say my Batman, you know. You better this one like me, this one my brother, you know. And make sure you have no picture with him, because they say you find a picture. And you tell them, you know what, you have to go tell them this to watch. Listen, members say you say, my little brother molest me. I don't know a little one to molest the bigger one. Normally a bigger one molest the little one. But your bigger uncle bigger than you. My little brother 5 years young than me. I don't know, alright, so make sure. And make sure say you have a little brother. That's why I say do a gender reveal. That is it. Oh, one more thing. Me nah say that. That's all, folks. Oh, I no keep no more funeral and me no present. A bumbo clock here keep funeral and have rice and peas down and chicken and this and that. I no invite pretty than them at my bumbo clock funeral. Make him find in gender to like yourself. Tell him if he grow 2 balls. If he want to be a man, 2 balls. Anytime he see him grow 2 balls, tell him if he go 1. They don't know if he put on balls yet. Them a put on khaki. Young youth them a pay $7, $10, $13,000 for expand pan in khaki. Me see one man 2 days ago in a cleaner. Khaki them a put on. One man sit down, one doctor man. Me don't know why they don't get one doctor woman. The transmission, everybody know why it's it. Anytime she get 2 bars, she have one little thumb drive and one big bumbo clad suitcase, not even grip. Anytime he get 2 bars, just 2, if he even get 1 bars, if he get 1 bars, because probably did not get 2, if he get 1 bars, 1 seed bag, then time them me probably may think about it. One thing then, me I watch his skit. You can't tap tape now. We going back to a normal part where I cook. So me I watch one skit yesterday. I really chump your fuck. Me I watch one skit yesterday. One transmission, one but in my woman now, you know, but in a band woman. So in my renewing passport, in my band American citizen, you know. So in my renewing passport now, cause it look like everything have to renew now, you know. So he said in a passport, but in the depending as a female, but in my male. Well, in my transmission, because I don't know if you call me, can't call a blood clot woman. I'm mad, I come here the body man. In my transmission. So in passport, come back now. He go make big video and sue government. He make big video and sue government. Where more sue government for? him a no male. So when it comes to when they say so what you have on a foot there? I have a male organ, but I'm a your pussy. Your pussy. He can't sue nobody, he not no evidence, he not no proof. And he might get sued. You know where he might get sued for? Malicious destruction of your brain. You are going to piss up. Because your brain, you even tell your brain say you have a pussy. And it prove the right in front of you. Say you have blood clot bull. And you tell yourself say you have a pussy. Your pussy will, you know. You can't grow on God. Unless you can blow breath. All of you have every tree to the vine. Every tree, who not go so God? And God, you think a bamba like your parents make you. All when your parents tell us they love you, be who you are, and no pussy. God say you are fish. All when your mama or your papa tell you say, yes, me proud of you, son. You wanna bring you come here. Tell us say, yeah man. You're free to express your pussyism. No possible. No. A bumper clad, you know, a big bumper clad transmission, hybrid, one press button start. Moving the pussy wall. Blood pressure, you know. I see one batty man here. I don't know him boss at Jamaica. I see him first. In ways dressed up like pastor and I look a cowboy at and he sit down. He go on like him is a mixture of Derek Morgan, Shibada, and the one when the old body good were dead. A three of them they make him up and you see him, but him more favor body good. A three of them him just like a foreign and he might travel every state already. You might run your pussy club. When they say when they are fire, they are must stay. They think a cool breeze. He might be a traveling with and he just start traveling, you know, and he might travel every state. No way now circle. He say your bumbo, you and in there Jamaica you go sit down in front of one fan and a cuss and go viral. Big shit in a plate. I don't know any name. I want new transmission. Yeah, shitty. I saw your name. That's the name. That's the tiki. A tiki, me call him. I pay a bus and train me see him on a ball. Every train me in my ball like him. I fire there must stay, you know. Fire there must stay, you know. Then think I could be them busy. No way. Alright, shitty done. I first Mr. Shitty done in a one car, I do one live. Mr. Shitty done early 5 o'clock. In a one car, I do one live. Normally Shitty done only do live in a backyard. Me say bumbo clad. Me never know say you could have drive. Me said at first they say when Chubble take your baby clothes fit you. You might go for you might go for no? You might go for driver's license or some license for work. You say before you get the license there, you go have to identify yourself. Your bumper card. Pinedo, why you look like that, Pinedo? Pinedo! Pinedo! Why come to school like that, Pinedo? Before you get... Well, no mistake. When you are full out to farm them, only Jamaica you are full out to farm them and they ask if you are male or female. We ask you upon the farm them over there. Why they upon the farm them? Why they upon the farm them? Don't go to school. Don't go. Me trace a heart with a blood clot. Me trace my blood pressure. Two things that pop me down. This is not good for me. Where you call? You're buying up. Where we're buying you mean? You're buying. Where we're buying you mean? It said. Well, I don't know take time. Oh, the bomb clot do the shit in the plate. It said gender, but Trump says switch it. What you mean? Where info said now? When you go check a recent farm, one farm, go try fill out a farm right now. No talk, no come out there. Once a bomb clot lazy, go fill out one farm and tell more. Say male, female, and hadders. Why hadders? Where hadders? Where had it? In man said, listen when me hear out of my ears. No, me I go tell you. I must transmission newly had it. A transmission he had. A man said, we only recognize two gender. Where uno see pande now? Tell me where una see. Where una hear? Which part to read that? Which part to read things? The black market. What are the genders on the farm? On the passport farm? On the driver's license farm? On the TikTok farm? On the... Hey, move your pussy, what? Let me attack. On the... Where the farm name? Blood pressure. Ganja. What they on the farm them?